The web-based CRM that we built for RufusTech has a tool that lets them automatically schedule work for employees. So each customer has a list of periodic maintenance items that need to perform. And each month, the admin employee pulls up the autoscheduler form, sets the options, and just clicks the button. The tool automatically groups together the maintenance items into new work orders, assigns them to technicians, and then schedules the appropriate appointments for the technicians according to their availability settings. It schedules hundreds of appointments in just seconds. So this saves them several hours each month in busy work, helps make sure that none of their customers are missed, and it frees up their employees' time for generating more revenue.
So I hope that gives you some ideas for how you could save time and be more profitable. If you'd like to talk about some options for your business, well, just schedule a quick call with me. And to get more ideas and examples, subscribe to my email list if you haven't done so already. Thanks for watching, and feel free to share this with someone else who could benefit.